Okay, so it's hard at the end of the day. You are exhausted. You don't know where you are. What is your name? And you don't know what is entropy. Or you are forget. So I would like to motivate you to read Souriau, to have a new definition of entropy. I think it is a new definition. Or a new characterization of entropy, which is entropy as an invariant Casimir function in coadjoint representation. Ah. Comment on fait Okay, so I make reference always to the same paper, the paper of 1974. So in French is Mécanique statistique, groupe de Lie et cosmologie, colloques internationaux CNRS sur la géométrie symplectique et physique mathématique. And I've made an English translation, which is called Jean-Marie Souriau, Symplectic Model of Statistical Physics, seminal paper on Lie groups thermodynamic, Quod erat demonstrantum. It is one conclusion of this paper in 1974. So there is 3 papers. They are not fully translated because some parts are related to this model. So just to remember you that the model of Souriau Lie group thermodynamic, the Souriau geometric Planck temperature is now an element of the Lie algebra of dynamical group. The general entropy is the Legendre transform of minus logarithm of the Laplace transform, but on the symplectic manifold. And what is important is that the Fisher metric is interpreted with the model of Souriau as a geometric calorific capacity. So what is important, Souriau model is fully covariant with on covariance of Gibbs entity with respect to dynamic group. So you have always the same relation. It's very simple. So this is here the model of information geometry on R, where you have the log of the Laplace transform. The Fisher metric is the Hessian of this potential function, and you have the Legendre transform with the dual coordinates. So be careful. I don't use usual notation. So when I put coadjoint operator is the adjoint G-1 star. So perhaps there is some misunderstanding in literature between the 2 notations, but I use the Souriau and Koszul notation. So the adjoint is given by this relation. So Souriau has just extended this model by defining the Laplace transform on the symplectic manifold, and as you have the moment map, it is defined for the moment map, which is a map from the symplectic manifold to the dual Lie algebra. This integral is also defined on the dual Lie algebra. But you preserve the Legendre transform, but Q is now an element of the dual Lie algebra, and beta an element of the Lie algebra. And I was very surprised by this property, which is not at the beginning, is that the entropy is invariant under the action of the group by construction. So I remember when Professor Mal gave a talk in the seminar of Daniel Benquin, I asked him the question, do you think that could be a definition of entropy to be this invariant function? Okay. So Souriau has also introduced, in fact, an extension of the Fisher metric. So it's not obvious to see that this expression, so this tensor theta tilde beta, which is in fact an extension of the classical Constant-Kirillov-Souriau 2 forms, but with an additional term which is linked to the Souriau cocycle, theta tilde. It's difficult to see that, in fact, this expression is the Hessian of the potential function. But it is exactly the extension of the Fisher metric. So the theta tilde could be defined by the moment map, the on the theta tilde is given by this expression also. And you have the fundamental equation of Souriau. I give the fact the non-equivariance or the affine equivariance of the coadjoint operator in case of non-null cohomology, with the additional term which is a Souriau cocycle. So this is a fundamental equation of Souriau Lie group thermodynamic. Q is a geometric heat, beta is a geometric temperature, so in sense of Planck, geometric Planck temperature. It's the inverse of temperature in case of classical thermodynamic. Okay, I will squeeze that. I try to put in the paper, there is a proof of that in the chapter 4 of Souriau book, that this metric is in fact the Hessian of the potential function. So I will not give here the detail of the proof, but you can make the relation between this Riemannian metric which is introduced and the fact that in fact it is related to the first derivative of Q with respect to beta, but Q, as Q is the first derivative of the potential function with respect to beta, you have is related to the Hessian of the potential function. Okay, obviously you recover the classical thermodynamic. If you take beta as the inverse of temperature, and you have this relation that beta is the first derivative of the entropy with respect to the heat, you recover the classical Boltzmann-Clausius entropy, ds égale dq divided by t. So what I would like to convince you at the end of this day is that you have a new geometric definition. So I don't know if it is a definition of a characterization of entropy, but it is very attractive because it is a geometric characterization of entropy. If you take the entropy of Shannon of von Neumann, it is axiomatic definition of entropy. So in the framework of Souriau Lie group thermodynamic, we can characterize the entropy as a general Casimir invariant function in coadjoint representation. And you have the dual, which is the Massieu, so the Legendre transform, which is the Massieu characteristic function. The dual of entropy by Legendre transform will be a general Casimir function in adjoint representation. So I give a Casimir function definition. So I take the definition in the book of Jean Gou. If there's a mistake, it's not my definition. So when M is a Poisson manifold, a function on M is a Casimir function, if and only if this function is constant on each symplectic leaf. So the non-empty open subset of the symplectic leaf are the smallest unbounded manifold of M, which are Poisson submanifold. So in fact, you can write the Souriau equation. So I put dièse, dash, because in fact, we have a affine equivariance because you have, in case of non-null cohomology, you have an additional term, which is the Souriau cocycle. But you have, under this, the action of the group, you have this invariance of the entropy. So Casimir was in fact the PhD student of Niels Bohr, and his thesis you can find on internet is rotation of a rigid body in quantum mechanics. So, so another definition of Casimir function is that for each function S is a Casimir function if the Poisson bracket is equal to 0. Here, it's not exactly the Poisson bracket because it is indexed by theta tilde because due to the fact to the Souriau cocycle. And also, it is equivalent to this equation in coordinate, but you have this additional term which is linked to the Souriau cocycle. So you have the classical definition of this Poisson bracket indexed by theta tilde is the classical Poisson bracket here, with an additional term which is linked to the moment map and to the Souriau cocycle. So this is an extension of definition of a Casimir function, but in case of non-null cohomology. So here you have the landscape of Lie group thermodynamic of Souriau. Here you have the entropy, the function from the dual Lie algebra to R. You have the Legendre transform between S, which is indexed by Q, and the potential function, which is indexed by the geometric temperature beta, on two dual system of coordinates. Q is an element of the dual Lie algebra, and beta an element of the Lie algebra. You have the fundamental equation of Souriau for the Lie group thermodynamic, but you have this characteristic that the entropy in this geometry is a Casimir function with respect to this Poisson bracket. So to see some details, so in fact, the potential function, you have the Laplace transform is defined on the symplectic manifold. G is a moment map, so from the symplectic manifold to the dual Lie algebra. Yes, so you can, in fact, in the paper of 1974, I read the first time this equation. So it is in 3 lines by Souriau. It is obvious that you have this relation. And in fact, this equation is equivalent to this equation. Okay, we will see hereafter. So you can define also a link between entropy production with the Fisher tensor introduced by Souriau. So it is interesting because it makes a link between the second principle of thermodynamic with the positive definitiveness of the Fisher metric. And also you have this evolution of heat equation. It is like yes, it is a heat equation defined by the Poisson bracket that you could write in coordinate like that. As Q is a derivative of the potential function, you can also rewrite this equation as Euler Poincaré function. This is exactly what you find in the paper of Poincaré of 1901. It is a Euler Poincaré function. So to prove the invariance of under the action of the group, it is the same thing. It is explained in the book of Souriau, but different to understand the demonstration. So you have a demonstration in the paper of Mar. I try to also rewrite this demonstration. So in fact, the entropy is a Casimir function is the solution of this equation, okay, which is only defined by the structure function.
Is it the only solution?
Yes, that's the problem. Yes, the problem of unicity, but you have not unicity of entropy. You can define phi entropy if you want. You have not unicity. You have the Shannon entropy, but you can define. Yes, it is a long discussion of the unicity of this Casimir function. So you have this remark by Souriau. If you consider the heat expression, Q is the first derivative of phi with respect to beta, then we can write this equation. And for each delta beta tangent to the orbit, and so generated by an element Z of the Lie algebra, if we consider the relation, this is a relation on the action group of the potential, we differentiate it at G is equal to neutral element using the properties that related to the cocycle, you obtain this equation. So if you try to rewrite this equation, so if as beta is the first derivative of S with respect to Q, here you have adjoint Z beta. So you can rewrite this term by this term. So Z, so adjoint, come on the other side, you have coadjoint here. And theta tilde is the bracket of theta beta Z. So you can factorize Z, and you have it's equal to 0 for each Z. So this term is equal to 0. And you can rewrite also this equation with a Poisson bracket. So you can to make the link between the two equations here. So we develop this Poisson bracket like that. And here you have the adjoint des rond S sur des rond Q, des rond H sur des rond Q. So you take the coadjoint, you have this expression, and you can factorize this term, and so this term appears. Okay. Okay. So I try a tentative to give more details how to obtain this equation. Professor Mal has a publication, but it's not a public one, so I hope he could publish the demonstration of this equation that he has provided. What is interesting is this dynamic equation, which is defined by Poisson bracket on Q, which is the geometric heat. If H is equal to H, as S is a Casimir function, so it is an equilibrium. So you can also define a Lie-Poisson variational principle to this equation by modifying to take into account the Souriau cycle, but it's not so much difficult. What is more interesting is the relation between the entropy production with theta tilde tensor, which is an extension of the Fisher metric, because the definite positiveness of this Fisher tensor gives a second principle of thermodynamics. So you can obtain this relation. You can observe also that if you select for Hs as a derivative of S with respect to Q is equal to beta, you find that this term is equal to 0. This is a characteristic also proved by Souriau, that beta is a kernel of this tensor. So I call that, but I like French scientists, so I call this equation Poincaré Souriau equation, because it is a Fourier equation on the heat. It is a Souriau equation related to the Casimir function of the entropy, and it is a Euler-Poincaré equation. So it is not heat equation on the temperature like Fourier, but Fourier has not only provided the heat equation on temperature. If you read this paper of Balian, so heat equation is a PDF also for calorific energy density, where the nature of the material is characterized by the geometric heat capacity. In the Euclidean case, with homogeneous materials, we recover classical equation on density and energy. So this is a heat equation, not on the heat, but not on the temperature, but on the energy density. And there is a relation between the two heat equations of Fourier by the calorific capacity. And as, in fact, independently, Souriau has made the relation that the Fisher metric he has proved. I don't know what is the Fisher metric, but the Euclidean, the Riemannian metric he has introduced, he has made the analogy with calorific capacity. You have exactly the main relation, because you can write this equation like that. And this one is related to the Fisher metric, and it is related to the Fisher metric by this relation, and it is a calorific capacity in the Souriau geometry. Okay, and to finish, there is also a relation between the set of Casimir function and zero-dimensional de Rham cohomology. So it's very interesting because you make a relation between de Rham cohomology and entropy. So there is something to explore behind that. What are the relations between de Rham cohomology and entropy? So for Poisson geometry, I invite you to read the book of Camille Laurent-Gengoux or the book of Yvette Kossar-Schwarzbach and all these papers which are referenced in this book. So I put the list of in the paper, so you can find all the paper of Souriau. You have also a very interesting paper of Pierre Cartier. I invite you to read on the website of IHES some fundamental techniques in the theory of integrable system, and also the book of Géry de Saxé, and obviously some paper of Professor Marne on the model of Souriau. Thank you for your attention.
Frederic, you know the time constraints.
Yes.
So there is no question. We skip.
Les gars, c'est dommage que tu as discuté une fois, parler un peu.
Yeah, but you have to sing with the champagne and to